like I ain't really doing this shit. Ayo! What up? I'm back with another one. You know what the fuck? Oh man, not again. You know the moments I be doing? Hey, it's legendary. I told you I was gonna do my homework, right? And I did my homework. I found out who 21 got dropped. You know, I guess them means them 20. We got 21 District Compressor. We gonna find out because I had to know. Let's get into it.
Fuck me, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Oh, good?
Lad, come down.
Anytime.
Hey, a little cinematic movie going on. I wonder how he about to come out. Like, pause. Like, he about to pop his shit. Because this is like a random cutscene.
Yeah, J-Lex!
That's random as fuck. This nigga just go haul ass. Just haul ass and random.
With it! Okay. What? Yeah, nah. Now they're saying, hey, look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. Let's wanna.
Woo! Said we need to talk. I'm like, nah. Alright. Alright. He's saying we with all that bullshit that you talking about. We do not need to talk about nothing. We getting it over.
Press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the up, feeling my preference. I'm up to my content, precious compressor. Guns get squashed. Rap like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed. Rappers trying to put us on reels. But how can I complain when the papers, they finally see who's real? I was out with the bros on.
What are you talking about? I can finally see through the papers that I could tell who's real. Who real? He really didn't. Who he talking about?
Top with back like Jack and Jill. Now we out here making a comeback. Malik and RG giving them chills. None of these days I don't get feels anymore. When I'm up, did I feel that?
Now we back? Fucking around like Jack and Jill giving them chills? Ooh, we gotta run that one back. Hold up.
But how can I complain when the papers, they finally see who's real? I was up with the bros on the hills, top with back like Jack and Jill. Now we out here making a comeback, Malik and RG giving them chills. None of these days I don't get feels anymore. When I'm up, did I feel that thrill? Get far when I pop two and I observe and a lot, there's a big man drill. I love when a big man screw. I got no these for any old deals. From God, he just got more real when I grab that hoodie and murk that, insert that, kick that.
Ooh. Met the backpack, then I insert that, then it boom. Hey, that wordplay was crazy. We going back with that one. His wordplay on that one.
Making a comeback, Malik and RG giving them chills. None of these days I don't get feels anymore. When I'm up, did I feel that thrill? Get far when I pop two and I observe and a lot, there's a big man drill. I love when a big man screw. I got no these for any old deals. From God, he just got more real when I grab that hoodie and murk that, insert that.
And everybody that boom.
We need to talk. Yeah, nah. Let's wanna take out the tape and press record.
Like nah.
Machine on the up, feeling my preference. I'm up to my content, precious compressor. Guns get squashed. Rap like a.
Hey, for some reason, whoever made them mad, they got the compressor for them. And it's like, oh, nah. They popping shit for no reason. Like, who made them mad? Like, who they got beef with? 21 District. Who they beefing with? Oh, nah.
One sweep and they all get washed, we solid. 21 District gang for the ballers. We back on set with the rest. Too much text, but they got no callers here. Like, who's on it? We on it. And I'm there like anyone talk, I'm sorted. And if I'm locked in a floor, I'll brother, they racist text me, call it. Come see me walk that yard with a fat or double the neck. Got bank for the set, rock play. We put fouls in the head.
Who got bet? Hold up, we just gotta go back. Who got beef with the set? Who got beef with them? Who got beef with them? Whoever got beef with him is very disturbing. Because now I want to hear the reply to this one.
On the corners here, like, who's on it? We on it. And I'm there like anyone talk, I'm sorted. And if I'm locked in a floor, I'll brother, they racist text me, call it. Come see me walk that yard with a fat or double the neck. Got bank for the set, rock play. We put fouls in the head on J's. J's got J's on J's. Flash me cash that I made you chase. Maybe it's body high. time for a needed, and left bleeding, and that pacing so. Like I had that fall out, guns out backpack with the goods about. Check this bitch when you see my wrist, that flip that shit looking it down. Swear I'm focusing early, but if I dirty, I'm creeping 30 and burning.
If we play dirty, I'm playing dirty. We spraying 30s? What? Hold up. Did he say that? Or I'm tweaking?
For a needed, and left bleeding, and that pacing so. Like I had that fall out, guns out backpack with the goods about. Check this bitch when you see my wrist, that flip that shit looking it down. Swear I'm focusing early, but if I dirty, I'm creeping 30 and burning. Talk that talk, cause I cop that lock, little dog say, look.
Still on the field for the risk my freedom. We running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here waiting, but not on the.
Me personally, I feel like if it's like a group, I need to know their names. Because they just be popping up and it's just be like, who is this? Like, just give me like a little name at the bottom, or give me like a disclaimer of the names. It will help me help them. So I know, like, oh yeah, that boy tough out of that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
When the whole game's creeping, pull up quick, gang spray, all that shit, gang, like that creeping,
bang, bang, ooh.
got beef that I cannot drop, so till I'm done, this shit won't stop. No way. Got soldiers out on roads, and we got soldiers up in love. I pray for the day that my whole gang eats when my soldiers get released. Trust when the gang touchdown in the opposite zone, that place complete. Got too much pride inside if they want.
Low key, I get the video now. Low key, I get the video. Because I think that was the same dude that was running, hauling ass. And he, dude with the boss shirt, he went to go pick him up. He was skirt to go pick him up. That's why when he hopped in the truck, he had the fucking. So it makes sense from the beginning of the video. He was calling him to come pick him up. Like, oh, that's why he was hauling ass. So he been on the run. Now it's making sense a little bit. But like, why was he running? Like, was he got like a warrant for his arrest or something? Like, it had to make sense.
Consider it done. Got boys in the ACT, don't worry about me, I rep that 6-1 all day. Trust that the tools get done.
Don't worry about me, I rep that 6-1. What is the 6-1? Because I thought they was 21. It's not making sense now. See? Now I gotta go back. Because I thought we was repping the 21. Now we repping the 6-1.
Feel for the risk, my freedom. We running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here waiting, but not on the strip and the whole game's creeping?
Ooh, that one I had to go back and I still didn't even catch that one until now. He said, how they saying they killers, but the whole game in the streets lurking? Yeah, how are y'all killers? They really outside. How? We need answers.
Quick, gang, spray, all that shit, gang, like that creeping.
Bang, bang.
Got beef that I cannot drop, so till I'm done, this shit won't stop. No way. Got soldiers out on roads, and we got soldiers up in love. I pray for the day that my whole gang eats when my soldiers get released. Trust when the gang touchdown in the opposite zone, that place complete. Got too much pride inside, if they want smoke, consider it done. Got boys in the ACT, don't worry about me, I rep that
6-1.
Trust that the tools get done, in the PM when the packs get flung. Out on the road if you want to get some, like karma's a bitch, that's why you lost
Never
one.
saying Ayoo.
Like, karma's a bitch, that's why you lost one. Ooh. He said, I got soldiers locked up in the SEG. I'm praying that they get released so we can all eat. I rep that 6-1. Karma's a bitch, that's why you lost one. That was tough.
We need to talk, yeah, nah. When kids wanna take out the tape and press record.
Nah.
Machine on the up, feeling my preference. I'm up to my contact, precious compressor. Work like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed. One sweep and I'm leaving a mess. He's so tough and he will get stretched. How can I take him serious? They look up to cunts and I press. No pressure, run up all day. No emergency, but I raise this stick. What all of these cunts give way? Ain't no tactics, only guns in the inner west traffic. Get got and it will be graphic. How about it got put on the catfish? Loud I rush for the gang. Trust don't play in the 21 era. And if you take that trip and you wear that wrist, tell mum you'll be back by never. Trust, tell mum you'll be back by
never.
Saying, hey, look. We need to talk.
Nah.
Let's wanna take out the tape and press record.
Yeah, nah.
Machine on the up, feeling my preference. I'm up to my comp, get pressed, compressor. Guns get squashed, whack like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed. No chicks wanna go for a walk. Yeah, nah. Let's wanna take out the tape and press record.
Yeah, nah.
Machine on the up, feeling my preference. I'm up to my comp, get pressed, compressor. Guns get squashed, whack like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah.
Jay, wake up, dog.
Get the fuck out of
Come
here.
on, get out.
He was having a dream. He was running away from them people. Yeah, nah.
Hey, big boy, what have you done? 15 first drilling in gravel.
Hey, there you have it. We got Compressor, 21 District. Yeah, nah. I was fucking with that one. I was rocking with that one. Yeah, nah. Say you want to talk, I'm like, yeah. Yeah, nah. But I need to know the names. Because how the fuck I'm going to say, oh yeah, so-and-so popping his shit if I don't even know who really popping their shit. Hey, if you fucking with the video, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that shit. Until next time. Ayoo!